What's going on, everyone? Got a 2017 HR-V. This is how you reset the oil life reminder. Okay, now what we're going to want to do is go ahead and turn the car off. All right, now you're going to have your foot off the brake, hit engine start. All right, engine start again. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go over here, and you have this stick right here. You're going to push it until you get this thing to say oil life. Okay, now mine already says 100%, but we're going to reset it. Press and hold this stick down for like 10 seconds, okay, and oil life will start to blink. All right, then you let go. Now you're going to press and hold it down for another 5 seconds. It'll stop blinking and it will reset the oil life. All right, and that's all you have to do. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate it if you leave me a comment. Let me know how I'm doing and drop me a like, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.